So hello friends, our today's question is question number 389, which is find the difference. So let's read the question first. You are given two strings S and T. String T is generated by random shuffling string S and then add one more letter at a random position. So string T is generated by random shuffling string S. So string S is randomly shuffled and string T is generated by random shuffling of string S. Then add one more letter at a random position. Like string S is randomly generated, randomly shuffled, and after that a letter is added at the end in the string T. So here as you can see, S is ABCD and T is ABCDE. So our E letter is added at the end. So S is empty string here and T is Y. So Y is added to the Y T string. So S dot length given here is greater than equals to 0 and less than equals to 1, and T dot length is equal to S dot length plus 1. Here S and T consists of lowercase English letters. So there are only lowercase English letters, no capital letters are there. So let's understand this. So first we have S string and T string here. Now let's say our S string is ABCD and T string is ABCDE. So our output should be at the end E. So how we will calculate this? So first we will take sum1 equals to 0, which would be in type, and again in type only sum2 equals to 0. These two variables are for calculating the sum of S and T strings. Now we will run a for loop which will start from 0 and will go up to S dot length and will calculate the sum. Sum1 will be equals to sum1 will be equals to sum1 plus equals to just a second. Okay, sum1 plus equals to S of I. So what this line will do, this S of I will be incremented inside the sum1 until the loop is reached at the end. So S of I is what here? As you can see, S of I is this particular A, B, C and D. So this is S of I, particular character. Now second for loop for T, so it will start from 0 and will go up to T dot length. And again we have to do same with sum2 will be equal to T sum plus equal to T of G. Now you can take I, it's same only. Now at the last we want character which was added. So after calculating all the sum, we need to return, since this sum is in type, we need to convert into char. Now we will convert into char and we will do sum2 minus sum1. So our approach is done here. Now let's do the code. So our first thing is taking two variables and initializing them to 0. Now running a for loop which will start from 0 and will go up to S dot length. This will count the sum of this. After the sum 1 is calculated, now we will run a second for loop which will calculate the sum 2. After this second for loop is done, sum 2 will be incremented to T of I, and at last we will return, we need sum2 minus sum1 but in character format since this is counting in integer. So after counting in integer we will return sum2 minus sum1. Now we will test this. Okay, all the two test cases are passed here. Now let's submit and check the results. It is accepted and all the 54 test cases are passed. Our runtime is 0 millisecond and bits are 100%. Memory used here is 9.12 MB and bits are 76.39%. So this was the solution of this question. Thank you.